So, general applications of information technology in the tourism and hospitality. So, let's talk about the business to business and business to consumer transaction. So, what is business to business? So, business to business, it refers those exchanges between businesses, including those between a wholesaler and a retailer, or a manufacturer and a wholesaler. Business to business transactions are those that take place between businesses as opposed to between a business and a single customer. Transactions between businesses and consumers, B2C, and between businesses and the government, B2G, are distinct from one another. Next is the B2C, which called business to consumer transaction. This is another type of transactions that concerns a deal between a business and a customer. Is a business to consumer, or B2C. It is a business practice of a company making a profit by selling goods or service to specific individual or guest. So ang business to consumer daw, which is the B2C, nag-refer daw siya sa practice of a company selling goods and services directly to the customers, which are the final users of the goods or services. So B2C enterprises are the majority of businesses that sell directly to customers, which is the final users lagi. So during the dot-com boom of the late 1990s, B2C gained great popularity, mostly referring to online businesses who offered goods and services to customers via the internet. So mga online selling. Information technology, it is the gear and software used to create, store, or transport, manipulate, and display data and information are collectively referred to as information technology, or which called IP. It is used a metaphor, the information's age vitality. In essence, it encompasses all aspects related to communications and computing.